Hello, my name is Brianna. My videos are going to consist of my natural hair journey, and I can randomly post anything, but my main goal is just to show you how to achieve your natural look and how to reach your hair length goal that you want. Or if you're African American, you don't even have to be African American. If you just are longing to have a natural hair goal, I'm here just like all the other natural hair people. Just subscribe to my channel. You'll learn more and more about me as time goes on. But this is just my first couple videos, and I'm gonna use this video as like my trailer to my page. So subscribe. I probably have subscribed to you, but no pressure. I just like you to subscribe. So yeah. Hopefully I'll see you soon.